It's your boy Zillewizzy, Lamazingzing, LamaCingCing, LamaWooWoo, we're doing it. And so today we are back with another vlog, baby. You understand? So the second day in Cape Town, everyone is here, I guess. So I want you guys to be logged up. The Cape Town. So the Cape Town, man. So of course I want you guys to feel like you're here. You understand? It's like breakfast and everything. That's why I'm so crusty. And if you didn't say it, baby girl, you want me. So yeah, man. So I just want you guys to experience every moment. But before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, but most importantly, enjoy. I want to show you this other guy. He's been lost. He's a long lost YouTuber. He doesn't even know.
It's open. That's the crazy thing.
Are we taking to the top?
Let me show you something crazy.
What? Oh, by the way, he's back, by the way. You see, he's sorting out something out. He's back, by the way. He's gonna share his YouTube channel for those who are like, ash. No, the thing is, I see what you wanna show me.
But I don't know how to explain it. It's just crazy.
What iPhone is this, man?
Just look at this.
Like, what iPhone is this?
This is crazy.
Oh, this is Khon's girlfriend.
What's good? It's your boy when we YouTube.
You see, look at those. This is crazy. I'm not allowed to.
Wait.
What's happening?
Oh, this one is
cinematic mode.
No, look at me. Why are you gonna tell me this cinematic? Of course we do cinematic, bro. What you mean?
What are we looking at?
Oh, we're like girlfriend. Yeah.
Just look at this.
Yeah. Why is mine like? Wow.
The light is in front.
It be passing, eh?
Did I put that thing down? Put it
Like it be. Let me see.
Put that thing by the dinosaurs.
No. Let me see. What the fuck? What iPhone is it?
Zillewizzy surprised about Tatarampiri vlogs.
Why is it?
It's iPhone 13. It's the one. It's basically a portrait.
Is it because you're crashing on a lady?
What appointment?
You know Zille, bro. Okay, but anyway, I didn't even show my intro.
I want to show you the breakfast and everything. I don't know why they give us. I don't know why they give us tissues to eat our breakfast. I don't lie. I've been eating that hardly in the morning and everything. So yeah, no, but wait.
Zille, no, please.
Guys, this is no, just I don't want to say anything.
Okay.
Just introduce yourself. Just for you to be safe. Just for you to be safe. Just because I'll be saying things that I don't. Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is TG. I do sound.
Okay. Yeah. You see? High five. Gong. You understand, man? I don't like.
Oh, sorry. I don't read more.
Yeah, why?
What are you doing, bro?
I'm gonna lie, today when you come back from the club, man.
Dipping at 2 o'clock
In
in the morning tomorrow. Today.
Skinny dip. We don't take it alone, boy. Like, it doesn't make
Skinny
sense.
dip. I want to see the snake become a snail, bro.
You know it's.
I wanted to cook. I wanted to eat, but like I'm scared. You know, I don't want to be like, hey, yo, can I have like 10 eggs and shit? You know what I mean?
Oh,
You know why they're gonna wild up his own sunny side up?
It's the good ones from the sunset.
can you make it for him?
Can
you make it for him?
I definitely can make sunny side up eggs.
Now.
Nobody can ask now. The girl that of his dreams.
No. By the way, the girl of his dreams is you. Now, lady, what is it? Now, lady, you be cooking that thing, eh? My boy be talking about you.
You haven't seen it, bro.
What did you say?
Boy. Like, I want my lady to be like the one, boy.
The same.
You've got LamaCingCing and shit.
What's good?
Why would you run away when I'm introducing you to my life?
And shit.
Yo, my life is gonna be all.
So why are you wearing
Chi. Oh my God, it's just Daddy Chi.
And everything, you know what I
Oh
mean,
my
bro?
God, it's just Daddy Chi.
What are you saying, boy? You cooked me and you came back.
Who's saying that?
I'm telling them, you know, I'm woman free, I'm egg free, you know what I'm saying, bro? I'll be no fallopians.
You are not free.
What did you like people
Wave check. Wave check.
The plans.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, bro?
Get it together.
You know what I mean, bro?
Get it. Who's missing?
It be like that sometimes.
That's why you guys actually get so many girls.
Yeah, like it's the best. You must share best,
All
boy.
the hands get turned on by this. Oh, do you guys like King Kodak? Hi, Bo. I'm asking, do you like people?
How did you feel when I said
I mean,
Man, we can't even speak. Wow, man, man, confusing.
guys, I don't think
You are yappering. You are yappering. Guys, so I'm actually not shooting a reality show. This is too hot to handle. Like, you guys can't have sex.
yeah, oh my
Can't look at each other for the next month. No touching, no kissing. The prize is too
But being a YouTuber seems fun. Truth or
No, but no cap. I think I can have it 2 at a time, bro.
Ah, lima kwana, I allow you.
John.
What do you say?
I said, you guys are scaring John.
Joshua, go.
Quince is not a good guy.
And that's what makes him like attractive to you.
Hey,
Usfelani, guys. Oh, yazi umuntu uyajoka bese manje sesikazi.
It be landing.
You're a great guy. You're perfect for me. And I hope that one day
It be landing.
Listen to him.
imagine
We
that.
put on our retainers at night when we go to bed. I will say something.
That thing, babe, don't forget your retainer. And then he said,
Who was in Cape Town? So I was like, yo, she should pull up and say what's up.
Google what her name? Okay.
the YouTuber.
Yeah, I know her. Cause I thought you were crashing on her or something.
Me?
Yeah.
How did we get here?
Ask you, when did you ever think that, man?
You can say no.
But I mean, we both are street models, you know what I'm saying? I get the chain, I'll be like, man, I say, let's bump chains, you know what I mean, bro? That crazy.
It's nothing. All the things I got myself, and then they want us to take things and cut off the things I got.
Hey, let me not say that on camera, it's fine.
Let me show you guys this.
Boy. Like I want the lady to be like the one, boy.
Official.
It's the same. They don't know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Me? I was saying, bro. They don't know, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? They don't know, bro. Oh, they don't know, bro. Yeah, I'm a woman free man. You know what I'm saying? I'm egg free and everything. You know what I mean, bro?
In the wine with the
Oh my god.
Nah, man. You made it out of the hood.
Mama made it. You know what I'm saying? Who would have thought, bro? You know what I'm saying? Where the beach at? You know, we got Money Mountain in the background, you know. Feels like home.
Hey, man.
I wish I had to say something like that. No.
Hey, man.
It needs to be smooth.
Put it.
Wait.
It didn't land.
It's supposed to be like,
Show you something YouTube has never showed you before. Look at Khonsi. Look, what's that position? He be looking like, I don't know, man, some professional photographer from. Look at this. Ay. Ay.
Like this for me too.
Paid promo, Khonsi. This is a paid promo, boy.
hire me for your wedding, you know what I'm saying?
You're putting your back. Wait, let me see.
What? Library. Hey, man. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the meat.
Abana pie. Which marito or ana pie na?
You get there, be like, you guys have pepper steak or steak and
Like oh,
what?
oh.
This particular one, and it's on your left hand side, it is going from left to right. It is 10% of a semio, it is 90% Sauvignon Blanc. It is light, fresh, crisp, easy drinking. And it smells delicious, you know, lots of fruit on the nose. It has a dry palate. It's not for aging, but it's meant to enjoy while it's young.
Okay.
Then the second wine, and your first wine on your left hand side and your left hand side, guys. This is called the Constantia Glen Sauvignon Blanc, right? Now our Constantia Glen wines, they are all in the Constantia bottle with the embossment. If you're using these bottles, your grapes has to be from the valley and the wine has to be made in the valley. Then you're allowed to use the Constantia bottle. So with the Sauvignon Blanc, it is a 2021 vintage and it's really delicious. It consists of a tiny bit of semio to help with the acidity of the wine. They've added about 3% and it just softens the acidity of the Sauvignon Blanc. So this one, the idea is to keep it for about 5 to 6 years if you want to.
Anyways, guys, please check out the next video. I really appreciate you. If you got here and you arrived, let's go, baby. What do you wanna say to the youth? Hey man, bye bye.